Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. It's going to be like a pick a card reading. So I'll be picking cards from two decks, guys, for your daily energies. So whichever card you want to watch, you can watch that reading. This is the second deck, this is the first deck. So the timestamp is there in the description. You can skip to that deck for the second reading if you want to watch that second deck. And for your oracle guidance, I'll be picking one card. We will open that card at last, guys. So let's start with the first deck. Queen of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles, Leos. With these cards here, guys, the energy is that you are happy and content, guys, how things are going. You have that peace of mind and happiness in your situation, whatever that you have accomplished till now, your achievements and whatever goals that have manifested. And it may also relate to whatever things, maybe your worldly possessions, house, car, whatever wealth you have. You are happy how things are going today, guys. That is what I see here. Things are going in a very positive way. And you are a person who follows your heart, whatever you deeply feel in your heart of hearts. You do that, you do only that which you have that intention to, which you have that strong conviction you are a person of strong belief and conviction. Any choice or any action that you do, it is based on that. Only when you have that deep conviction in that choice, you take that up. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you have that you are that person of many talents. You will be very talented. Maybe you are a creative person, you are talented in creative arts, many kinds of activities. You are really skilled and you have that ability and that craftsmanship in anything that you do. Whatever activity you take up, you reach success. That is what I see here with these cards. So you are a person of great ability, skill, and you have that happiness and contentment. So with these cards, the energy for you all is that things are going as it should in your life. So that is the energy here with these cards, guys. Let us see what is the other set of cards, the second deck. We will open those cards now. Stork, Lady, Clover. With these cards here, guys, I see here again a very positive set of cards here, guys. Things are just going to get very lucky for you. Maybe you are getting some new ventures, some new opportunities in your life, guys. Something coming your way in your life. And maybe this person whom you are with, they are interested in this relationship, guys. They want this relationship with you, just like you have that interest in this relationship with that person, with that deep connection. So they are coming towards you. They want this domestic bliss with you. Maybe they want to start a family with you. They want to start a family with you and they are interested in you, guys. That is what I see here with these cards. And maybe you are getting some rare opportunity, something really lucky out of the blue that may just something which you never expected. Some rare opportunities are coming your way, Leos. very positive set of cards here, guys. That is the reading, guys. Let us see what is the oracle card for your Leos. Regeneration. So with this card, Leos, the energy for you all is that in your situation, guys, maybe in your career or in your personal life, you are getting second chances or some new opportunities, some kind of rebirth that is happening in your life, guys. Maybe in your relationship, in this connection. So all the things that were not working, maybe in your past, maybe the breakup or some kind of endings, something painful, all that, you are healing from all that, and you are moving on with your life in a more powerful way. You are emerging with more power and more vigor to greet what is coming today, to experience that new love that is coming today. That is what this card is about, guys. And even in your work, maybe something that was not working, you should let all that go, your past hurt and whatever that is, and welcome the new opportunities that are coming with you, guys. So this is a card that denotes something new coming up, better than what it was in the past, guys, whatever you were expecting. So whatever that is not working in your life, you need to let that go. You need to let that past hurtful memories go. Only then you will be able to come out with that greater power, with that greater vigor in this present life. Be reborn with much greater potential, guys. So this is the card, the oracle's guidance for your Leos, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Leos. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.